research shows that manufacturers in Malaysia only used 10% of their operational data today. So we believe with the right solutions can help them to enhance their operation and further expand their business. One of the key challenges faced by Malaysian manufacturers is integration.
So most of our sites are coming from remote areas which we don't have a good infrastructure. So we are trying to upgrade those challenges on internet speed, cloud computing model as well, and try to work ourselves towards the target for smart manufacturing.
Due to COVID-19 effect, we are facing the manpower issue.
The data that we have maybe a bit delayed. For us to work on the data, we don't have the full info. Those are the biggest challenges that we have.
Unscheduled maintenance is the most nightmare to a manufacturer.
People will tend to wait until it fails, then they only go and do the maintenance.
However, now we try to consider the Industry 4.0.
Because without IR 4.0, I think we will lose in the challenges.
With a wider use of data, they can unlock new business outcomes and new applications. They can also reduce downtime, and they can increase the efficiency of demand forecasting.
In the environment of manufacturing, if you face any downtime, you require your team to be on site to immediately fix the problem on immediate basis. So with automation, downtime and all the problems can be immediately resolved, not only in one or two locations, probably multiple locations related to your business. Is crucial in reducing your costs and providing better response time to your customers.
From manufacturer's perspective, I think one key element is how to manage your supplier first. Order to cash is completely automated, paperless, turnaround time is faster, manufacturers meet the SLAs, the inventory management is optimized, saving costs, improving productivity.
Insights and analytics give a full view of how the operations running. So this data we collect, we analyze and we provide an insight. So from this, manufacturer can make a decision better. Smart manufacturing that we are offering to our customer, we are helping them to embark IR 4.0 journey.
This is our monitoring system, which is able to detect vibration. Sensor will provide you information, so TM1 will actually have a dashboard and information all will generate into the cloud. This is a highly preventive maintenance and provide you an early stage of information of your equipment and to prevent you from having a downtime.
This is our solution to help the manufacturers to manage, especially on their logistics side. They exactly know in real time what's going on with their entire fleet operation, and it's powered by TM1 because all the entire solutions from the cloud infrastructure is hosted to our secured facility at TM1.
There are things that we learn from working with TM1 Smart Manufacturing. We can learn about availability, quality and also performance. By working with TM1 Manufacturing Solutions, we have the data on hand and quite fast as well. So then we can work out what are the countermeasures that we can do on those challenges that we face.
The key differentiator that we have is the insights that the solution provides. So you can do demand forecasting even better, more accurately.
You want someone with credentials, and I think TM1 has it. It's like a one-stop solution. They have not just the equipment, but also the setting up the system.
Service providers like TM1, who has wide capabilities across different technologies, combined with professional services, can address Malaysian manufacturers to solve their integration issue.